I'm Sunil, the inventor of the Croasis vaping hookah. The Croasis vaping hookah is a luxury modern vaping device that takes the social features found in a traditional hookah and integrates them with the new and advanced technologies found in today's high-end vaping devices. What you see here is the first prototype, and what we learned from developing it has enabled us to create a vaping product unlike any on the market today. First, the elite line of our device is multi-flavored. Because the tank has multiple sections, you'll be able to fill each section with a different flavor. Our proprietary chip controls the heating elements in each compartment, allowing you to vape your favorite juice at the same time your friend is vaping theirs, and even mix flavors, if you should so desire. Our system eliminates the need for a button, activating on its own on each inhale, which gives you this really cool illuminating LED effect. Our Elite line boasts its own custom developed hose, almost acting like a personalized remote, allowing the vapor to select their own power setting and flavor, so every person can vape independently at the same time, all using the same device. While the unit is designed to be plugged in, we include the option for 4 18650 batteries, allowing the user to vape on the go. Safety is our #1 priority, and because we're developing our own chip, we have the ability to put in the best safety standards, like short protection, fall protection, and much more. The LCD screen will display all the information any vapor would need to know, like resistance, wattage, battery life, and any other settings. We have a ton of other benefits and features, which you can find out more about below. We are engineering our device to be within compliance of any government regulation. This has been a long journey, and I'm excited to bring the product forward, but I need your help now. Take a look, make a contribution today, be one of the first to get the finest Croasis vaping products in the world.